Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this isn't going to be a market review, this is more so like a recap of yesterday's trading day and also an outlook on today's trading day. From now on I think I'm going to be doing the videos like this. Yeah, so yesterday was actually my biggest trade yet, and yeah, I'll be going over what I was looking at yesterday. Um, Yesterday overall we didn't have any we did have some news events, I think on Thursday at 8:30, so I'd be looking for setups at 8 a.m. When we go to the daily chart, we can see that we are tapping into this daily fair value gap. So from here we could see higher prices if we have an SMT confirmation. So when we drop to the 90-minute chart, we can see that we do technically have a previous day low SMT. So if you can see here, ES and NQ closed below previous day low here, and YM has merely taken out previous day low. This isn't as high probability because imagine YM could, still continue to push lower and close below. But for now, we do have a hidden SMT because YM hasn't yet closed below previous day low, even though it's taken it out. So we had that bullish previous day low SMT, so I am leaning more bullish today since we're also in that daily fair value gap, and I'd be looking for higher prices for that day. So my plan was simple. It was just taking any bullish SMTs that presented itself. So if we go down here, I know it's difficult to see, but right here highlighted is the previous, we had a previous 90-minute 90-minute low SMT right here. YM drove lower and ES and NQ didn't, as you can see here. And also, just to show, we had also a previous session low right here. Oh my gosh. I know this is a bit weird to show like this, but basically we had a previous session low and a previous 90-minute low. Okay, and then when we had that change in state delivery right here, I entered my trade and I was targeting previous day high because SMT on previous day low, I'm targeting previous day high for about 5R, 5.2R. So yeah, it was pretty good. We had this really strong displacement higher, and if I was using like higher risk, I maybe would have just closed out here because I'd be happy with it. But since I've reduced my risk because I'm in drawdown, I was just willing to let this trade ride. And when we closed above this swing high, I trailed it to this point, as you can see here. I'll just make this a little bit bigger. And then price continued higher, and when we close above this swing high right here, I trailed it to this swing low. And then when we closed above this swing high, I traded it to this, and then I started to trail it a bit more aggressively. When we closed above this swing high, I trailed it just to this swing low, just to maximize as much profits as possible. So I got taken out here for about 4.1R, and it was, as you can see here, a $2,000 day, which is pretty sweet. I mean, I'm definitely still in drawdown, but I mean, it's a nice little jump in the right direction. So yeah, that was the day, and I guess I'll be talking about what I'm looking for today, which is still bullish, pretty much. When we go to the daily chart, we already know that we've responded pretty, bullishly off that daily fair value gap. So I'm expecting, higher prices, all-time highs. I'm expecting some more inefficiencies to be created. Then we drop to the intermediate term time frame. We can see that all assets closed above previous day high. That is also a kind of like a bullish sign, if you will. So today I'm still leaning bullish. We still haven't taken out this high right here, which is all-time highs. So I'd expect price to, drive up here. Yeah, so I'm bullish for today, and I would be interested in taking any setups like a previous 90-minute low. If we formed a previous, we are forming a previous 90-minute low SMT, but I'm gonna wait until the equities open to enter. So yeah, still looking for higher prices today, and that's about it. So I know it's a bit of a weird video, but I think I'm gonna have to be doing the videos like this because I can't do the recaps after the day because my work schedule has changed. So I'm gonna have to do kind of a recap of yesterday plus an outlook on today. So yeah, hope this was insightful and cool, and I'll see you probably tomorrow. Alright, bye bye.